let's be real. Growing a small YouTube channel can feel like you are walking into a wall sometime, right? It's like you're posting, you're trying new things, you're posting, and what happens at the end? Nothing. But trust me, we've all been there. But here's the thing. It's not that the algorithm actually hates you. It's just that there are specific strategies that you need to use if you want to grow fast on YouTube. So I'm thinking in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 secrets that actually work. And I'm going to have all of these secrets backed by real examples. So are you ready to blow your YouTube channel up? And the last tip I'm trying to tell you is by far the most useful. So make sure that you stick around so you do not miss it. Tip 1. We have to master the art of click-worthy titles and thumbnails. See, the thing is, first impressions matter, right? And like they say, you only get one time to make a first impression. That's exactly what your title and thumbnail are. They are the first thing viewers see before they even watch your content, right? So you have about 2, maybe 3 seconds to grab their attention. And if your title nor your thumbnail are interesting, what they're gonna do? Just keep scrolling right past. See, the thing is, it works because titles and thumbnails directly impact your click-through rate, or the CTR, which is a key metric that YouTube algorithm watches closely. A high CTR, that means that people are actually interested in your content. And then YouTube is going to reward you by pushing your content or pushing your video out to more people. So let's look at Think Media, right? Their titles often include power words like secret and or mistake, right? These things that actually spark immediately curiosity. And then they have the thumbnails that are always clean and they're always bold. So that's why their videos get clicks even in like those competitive niches. But then like on the other side, you have a lot of small creators that like to use vague titles like vlog number 12 or fun day out. The thing is, there's no reason for someone to click unless they already know you. And if you're a small channel, the thing is, most people don't. So here's a hack. Always ask yourself, would I click on this? And if your answer is no, you need to just go back to the drawing board, revise your title and thumbnail until it is a solid yes. But here's the thing. Getting clicks is only half the battle. The real magic happens once viewers actually start watching. The thing is, look, we got to hook the viewers in the first 10 seconds. That's all we got. We have the first 10 seconds to actually hook the viewers. So, okay, someone like, so click your video, now what? The first 10 seconds, like I said, are critical. This is where you either hook them or you lose them. And trust me, if they are not hooked by then, they're going to leave. And that tanks your watch time. See, this work because watch time is one of the most important factors for getting your videos recommended by YouTube. The longer the people stay and watch, the more YouTube is going to actually promote your content to new audiences. For example, let's look at a channel that's doing well, right? We got 𝗵𝗲𝗲 here. His openings are always intriguing. He's either asking a thought-provoking question or gives a quick preview of what the viewer is going to learn. And that right there are things that hooks them instantly. But look, you know you're always going to have somebody on the other side that you can compare small channels that start with a 10-second intro. And I was guilty of that. That 10-second intro animation or they just rambling. And by the time they get to the point, the viewers, they already gone. So we got to skip the long intros and get straight to the value. A great opening might be like some type of bold statement, a quick win or benefit, or even ask a question to make your viewers curious. Now, before I get into the final secret, if you're actually getting value from this video, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button for more tips like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I love to have you a part of this community. Secret 3, consistency beats perfection. One of the biggest mistakes that small creators make is waiting until their videos are quote-unquote perfect. But spoiler alert, perfection doesn't even exist. The most successful creators aren't even perfect, but one thing they are, consistent. See, consistency builds momentum. Every time you post, you're improving your skills, you're learning what works, and giving the algorithm more chances to promote your content. So let's take 𝗵𝗵𝗲𝗄 for instance. He constantly emphasizes creating, posting, and learning. That's how he has built his channel with over 500,000 subscribers, by being consistent. He's not trying to be perfect. But then I've seen small creators who post once every few months because they're trying to make everything perfect. And the thing is, the reality is, the more you delay, the more you lose out on potential growth. So what we got to do is set a realistic upload schedule, whether it's once a month, once a week, or twice a month. The goal is to stay consistent and improve with each video. Like they say, we got to get 1% better with each video. So with all that being said, let's recap the 3 secrets. Secret 1, remember, master click-worthy titles and thumbnails, right? Clip 2, we got to hook the viewers in the first 10 seconds. And tip 3, be consistent. Do not chase perfection. And look, if you follow these 3 strategies, you'll be way ahead of most small creators. Remember, growing a YouTube channel, it does take time. But with the right approach, success is inevitable. So if you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth secrets, and comment below. I have a question for you. What is one thing you're going to do differently after watching this video? I would love to hear from you. Also, if you want 20 actionable tips that's going to help you this year in 2025, do me a favor. Click on this video right here. And until the next one, peace.